for yourself if you had given money to somebody and they were not returning the money?
बहुत सारे I will feel guilty, I will feel irresponsible.
So we started doing that affirmations, started doing that no for the job to make money through the job. Negative thought को replace करो with I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you.
I love you. I love you.
क्या? Today we are going to learn how to use Hope No to attract more money in your life. Whether it's recovering money, whether it's attracting money. Growing money. We're going to talk about how to use Hope No specifically to use that magical power for attracting money. Hi, those of you who are meeting me for the first time, my name is Mitesh Khatri and this is
Indu Khatri.
And we are law of attraction coaches and national best-selling authors of the book, The Law of Attraction. Let's start with asking the Hope No Queen the first question. How is Hope No pronounced? वहाँ से शुरू करते हैं. हाँ, को क्या है? Ho. क्या? How do you say it?
It is Ho'oponopono.
Okay, let's try again.
Oponopono.
Ho.
Oponopono.
Pono. So go 3 phases.
Yeah, but you do it fast.
But you do it fast. So पहले ho.
Opono. That's the spelling.
Pono.
So you say Ho'oponopono.
Okay, so Ho'oponopono. All right, so let's learn how to use Ho'oponopono for learning to attract a lot of money in our life, and whether the money is stuck or whether you want to grow the money, both ways. Let's take multiple examples of that.
Yes.
Let's start with a wonderful story that Indu will tell you about one of our platinum members who actually started attracting a lot of money. Yes, Indu.
Okay, so we'll start with one person. We'll start with the people who have lent their money and they are not able to get the money.
Good point. So they gave money to somebody and they were not able to recover
They
back.
gave money to somebody and नहीं हिंदी में बोला है उधारी वापस नहीं आई basically. So there is one gentleman from Chandigarh. He is a business owner. So during COVID he had given a lot of people a lot of material and he was supposed to get money back and he wasn't getting money back and it was in crores, not in lakhs. It was in crores. Then we taught him this technique of Hope No and of course a couple of more additional things along with Hope No and he started manifesting it. And his one thing good about him is वो just कैसे बोलो वैसे करता है, वो सिर्फ practice करते हैं, बहुत बड़े just practice करते हैं. उनको बोला ऐसे करो, उन्होंने किया. तो उनको हमने बोला you just do I'm sorry money, please forgive me, I love you, thank you money. And we made him do Hope No for that gentleman also, taking his name. So let's take that, for the sake of it, take the name Ajay. So I'm sorry Ajay, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. So you're doing the Hope No chanting for the money and for the person who borrowed money from
You. So instead of being angry with the person, now we're doing Hope No for that person to change their frequency and to heal that person also, not only ourselves.
So
right?
all our vibrations which were going negative towards that person changed. And one fine day the person just calls this gentleman and says कि account number दे दे भाई, पैसे transfer करना है. And likewise he now recovered more than 3.5 crores.
Isn't that amazing? Congratulations to him. Let's learn how did he use it. तो क्या सिखाया हमने हमको? How did he practice Hope No for that person? पहले वहाँ से शुरू करते हैं. How did he do it? तो उसका नाम लिया.
उनका नाम लिया, उनके बारे में जब भी ख्याल आया उनका नाम लेके उन्होंने बोला आई एम सॉरी उनका नाम के साथ.
So let's say I'm sorry Ajay, please forgive me Ajay.
Please forgive me Ajay.
Thank you Ajay.
I love you.
I love you Ajay.
That's all.
ठीक.
तो every time thought आ रहा है, हमारा क्या होता है कि जब हमने किसी को उधारी दिया है हमारे दिमाग में थॉट आता है हम उनको कर्स करते हैं.
Correct. We feel bad about that
We
person.
feel bad about it. This time you're not supposed to feel bad about it. You're supposed to bless that person by chanting Hope No. As simple as that.
Yeah.
Every time the thought comes, 5 बार आ रहा है, 10 बार आ रहा है, 1 बार आ रहा है, जब भी आ रहा है आपको रिप्लेस करना है. That's about it.
And